Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mumni here and I'm back with a new video. So this time there's a lot of dresses from Misho. I'm gonna start with this red dresses. Okay, there's like two red dress and this is the first dress. This is how it looks on me. It's a red dress and of course it's a midi dress. It's an A-line midi dress and the price is 632 and the size I went for is small. So according to the price, I don't think the quality is good enough because it has this polyester quality and the material is very stretchy, so you have to go for two size smaller. Even for me this dress was very loose, but I had to tie it from the back. Not very loose but a bit loose, so I had to tie it from the back. So yeah, you can go for one size or two size smaller. Actually the smallest size they provided is small. My size is usually I go for extra small, so yeah, I think small will be loose for the girlies who have the same size as me. And apart from that, it's fine. The neckline is also really pretty. It has this sweetheart type ka neckline and it has got puffed sleeves, and at the border of the sleeves again this thing is there, as you can see, and it has got a small slit as well. The dress is not transparent at all. This is the waist area, and as you can see here, this flare thing is going on, which is really pretty. Because of this flare thing, the dress looks so much better. According to me, I feel like you shouldn't go for this dress because it's not worth the price. It's 632. आपको 600 के अंदर में मीशो में बहुत सारा अच्छा ड्रेस मिल जाएगा. So yeah, it's not worth the price. But if you like it, you can go for it. So the next dress is also a red dress, and this is how it looks on me. And I know you guys did not like this dress. Even me myself, I did not like this dress big. But since I've already ordered, so why not make a video out of it? I don't want to go any of my mehnat go in waste. This is how it looks in the website, and in the website the color looks darker, but in real it's much more lighter. But still maroon color ही है, फिर भी it's not dark enough. मुझे तो ना वो बहुत deep maroon color चाहिए था, but not like that. This dress is actually fine. It's not that bad. It's just the fitting of the dress. वीडियो में मैंने इसे ना पीछे से बांधा ना कुछ किया, so that's why the dress looks like this. It looks like a 6-7 years old kids dress. And अगर आप इसे fit कर दोगे ना टेलर में जाकर, तो this dress will look much more prettier, और थोड़ा ज्वेलरीज एंड एवरीथिंग के साथ में ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. एंड इसका जो नीचे का है, it has this net type of quality, if you can see. Okay, it has got extra layer inside, which is really good. It won't be transparent, and the top part is also not transparent. And the neckline is very simple. It has this U neckline, U-shaped neckline. Yeah, very simple. और यहाँ पर बहुत सारा ये क्या embellished किया गया है. I don't know what is it called. It's a long dress. It's a gown actually, so you can go for it if you are planning to go for a party or something. Yeah, but मुझे तो इससे बहुत दुर्गा पूजा वाला vibes आता है. I don't know if you can relate. The size I went for this dress is small. See, my size is extra small, and this is small, and their smallest size is S. So I had no option. I had to go with this only. Price is 471 rupees, but again according to the price it's fine because it's under 500, and under 500 this quality is pretty fine. ऊपर का जो quality है it's velvet, and the नीचे का part is all net type of quality. Yep. So this is the next dress. Look at the color. This is so pretty. I really love the color. This is just my color. See, this is how it looks on me. And I know that here it's not looking that good, but if you see this in real, it's actually really pretty. And the fitting is like, if it fits, it fits. Yeah, you have to go for the exact size. And for me, I went for extra small, so the fitting is a bit loose but fine. So the price is 396, and under 400 if you're getting this type of dress, this is a great catch. So you should definitely go for it if you are into this type of dresses. And uske baad, see, this is how it looks in the website. In the website the color is a little bit more lighter, but in real it's more dark. Yeah, but the color is pretty. It's like dark beige, and the print is also solid. If you can see, it's a rib type का है, which is really pretty. See, this looks so pretty. This is the front part, and see how beautiful is this. Because of this front part, the dress looks more beautiful. अगर ये simple होता ना तो अच्छा नहीं लगता, मैं जाती भी नहीं ये ड्रेस के लिए. और इसका पीछे में ऐसे स्ट्रेचेबल थोड़ा सा रबर ढाला है, which is actually good. because कभी कभी किसी किसी का bust size बड़ा होता है, मेरा तो बहुत छोटा है, it's flat. Price is 396 and the size I went for is extra small. But one thing I did not like about this dress is that ये dress जो सिर्फ straight है, you can see right, both the sides of the dress looks parallel. यहाँ पर हल्का सा curve है, which is no. If you see this video, even in this video my curve is not that visible because of this dress. It's not because I don't have, it's because of this dress. So if you are getting me, ये dress जो आपका curve lines को छुपा देता है, so उसके वजह से थोड़ा सा माइनस पॉइंट है. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन. लेकिन फिर वो तो आप टेलर में जाके वापस थोड़ा सा सिला विला दे सकते हो, सो फाइन. फॉर टॉल गर्लिज इट विल बी अ मिडी ड्रेस, बट फॉर शॉर्ट गर्लिज इट्स अ लॉन्ग ड्रेस, long bodycon dress. And that's it for this dress as well. Really pretty, liked it. The quality is also really good, like not really good, but according to the price it's really good. So this is the next dress and this is how it looks on me. This dress is also a bit loose for me. The size I went for is small and the smallest size they have is small. The price is 446 rupees, but under 500 I think this is good. The quality of this dress is also fine, not that bad, not that good, and it's not transparent as well. And the previous dress also, it's not transparent, so you don't have to worry anything. And okay, about the size, you have to go for 1 or 2 size smaller. And the dress, it has a very small slit नीचे में, and इसका top part, let me show you. इसका top part is like this. It's very simple, and this strap thing now, this is adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your bust size. And it has got this puffy sleeves, and at the bottom of the sleeves it has got this elastic thing going on, and even front में भी ऐसे elastic है थोड़ा सा, so that is really good. The print is also really cute. I really love the print. This is giving spring and summer, so अभी तो spring and summer is coming, so you can go for it. This dress feels like a girl who is very soft and calm and like, you know, very emotional. इसका क्वालिटी जो ऐसा टाइप का क्वालिटी है which will not soak your sweat. Overall though, it's a nice dress, you can go for it. This is the next dress, and this dress is, oh my god, so pretty. The size I went for is extra small and the price is 809 rupees, but it's totally worth the price because the quality is also really good. कपड़ा का quality जो ऐसा net type का quality है, if you can see it's all transparent, and पूरा dress का same है quality. It has got extra layer inside, so you don't have to worry about the transparency. It's not see-through. It's a one shoulder ruffle dress. It's a full length maxi dress. They even provided this chain at this side part, so that is a really good thing. और उसके बाद there's this ruffle thing going on, and it's like step by step. आपको यहाँ पर दिखाई देगा, let me show in the video, which is actually really pretty. Because of this, the dress is looking more pretty. For girlies like me, it will be a full length maxi dress, and for very tall girlies, it might be a midi dress. So the dress is out of stock right now, but I'll update you guys if the dress is back in stock, and I'll try to search this same type of dress in other websites as well, and I'll provide the link. This is the next dress, and look at this dress. This is also a really pretty dress. Okay, so the size I went for is extra small, and the price is 827 rupees. And about the size, it's a bit loose for me, but fine. As you can see, it's fine. I haven't tied it from the back or something. It's not that tight, it's not that loose. I really love the neckline of the dress, if you can see. Oh my god, I have this very sleepy and puffy eyes because I woke up just an hour ago and I'm making this video because I've been feeling guilty about not making videos anymore. This is how it looks like, and look at this. Isn't it so pretty? Let me show you how it looks from here. See, this is how it looked, and this is so pretty, so cute. I really loved it. This is so summery and spring. It's giving spring and summer, so you can definitely go for it. Even the previous dress is giving spring summer. About the sleeves, iska sleeves are long. It has got this puffy sleeves, balloon puffy sleeves, and at the end of the sleeves it has got tiny frills, and यहाँ पर ऐसा rubbery effect भी है, which is really good. This is the top part of the dress, and यहाँ पर जो waist area में they've provided this rubbery thing, which is also really good. So you can go for one size smaller as well if you are a medium or large girly. For example, if you are a medium girly, you can go for small. If you're large, you can go for medium, or you can even go for small. Super stretchy, so you don't have to worry about the, what is it called, the size. Yeah, it's a midi dress. not a midi, I won't call it midi, it's like a short dress just below the knee. Yeah, but for tall girlies it would be like a short dress, but for girlies like us it's a knee length dress. And again at the bottom of the dress, if you can see, it has got tiny little frills, which is really cute. This dress is so fresh, so pretty, the perfect dress for a very sunny day. It has got extra layer inside, so you don't have to worry about a transparency as well, as you can see. But the top part might be a little bit see-through and the sleeves are see-through. Yeah, and again about the neckline, I actually like the neckline. It's really pretty, but it's just that it's too deep, so it might not be comfortable for modest girlies or strict parent girlies. But you can wear a tube top inside, yeah, something like that, and it is worth the price. It has the same quality as the previous dress, although both the dresses have same type of quality, same type of material. This is heavier than this, and even the quality feels much more softer. This quality feels much more soft. This is the next item that I got, and this is how it looks on me. And I know this doesn't look that good in the video, but trust me, this is a really pretty dress, and if you're into classic dresses, this is the perfect dress. It gives very 90s, and look at the color. This is such a cute color. It has this very what is nude green color, so I really love the color. Perfect color for me. And wait, let me show you the neckline. This is the neckline. It has this collar type of neckline, which is really pretty. I really loved it. And look at the border of the neckline. This is so cute. The sleeves are short and it has got balloon sleeves, and again idhar bhi same type ka border hai. It's really cute. Bottom of the dress, it has got a very tiny slit. Cute. And again it has got extra layer inside, so you don't have to worry, it's not see-through. And this is the waist area, but for this dress you have to go for the exact size because this is not stretchy at all. Even the waist area आपको ऐसा rubber दिखाई दे रहा होगा, but it's not rubber, it's just for the frills. Yeah, so it's not stretchy, it's solid tight. I went for extra small and the price is 827 rupees. It's worth the price. This dress is heavier than those dresses, but then again quality बहुत अच्छा है. And this is the perfect modest dress for modest or strict parent girlies, and you can even wear this as a birthday dress. Birthday dress के लिए भी बहुत प्यारा होगा ये. For this size you have to go for your exact size. I went for XS, which is not my exact size, so that's the reason it's looking a bit loose for me. But वो लोग का जो उन्होंने जो last size provide किया है, that is XS, so I have no option. Now let's move on to the next. Okay, by the way, my waist size is 24 and sometimes 23 हो जाता है, so it's very difficult for me to find the right size. So this is my favorite dress among all the dresses I got from Misho. So this is the dress. Wait, let me show you. This is how it looks in the video. This is how it looks when I'm wearing it, and look at the dress. This is so pretty. This is the perfect dress for every occasion. अगर आपको birthday party पे जाना है, you can wear this. If you want to go for your farewell party, you can wear this. If you want to go for your freshest party, you can wear this. Pair it up with a very pointy heel to make it look more sharp. Or you can even wear it when you're just going out with your friends, chilling in the park or something like a picnic. And I love the color. The color is giving rich. Yeah, the price is 350, guys. It's 350. It's really cheap. You can definitely go for it. And the size I went for is medium. अगर आपका बस करे ना तो आप इसे XL में भी ले सकते हो, because the plus point of this dress is this: it has got straps at both sides, which is a really good thing. Because of this you don't have to worry about the size. This dress is actually very loose for me, as you can see. यहाँ पर तो balloon जैसा दिख रहा है, but once I tie it from the back, it looks so good. So that's the magic of this dress. About the transparency, this is not that transparent, and let me just give you a bit of details about this dress. It has got this V neckline. This is really pretty, and it has got puff sleeves, super cute. And at the border of the sleeves, it has got this, okay, it's actually not stretchy. I was about to stretch it out, but it's not stretchy. But this is how it looks, the border of the sleeves. And yeah, that's it about the sleeves. And it's a really simple dress. It has got no slits, nothing, just a plain solid dress. That's it. Really pretty. Unfortunately, the dress is out of stock, so yeah, I'll update you guys if it's back in stock. And now let's move on to the next item that I bought from Misho, and this is also a bodycon dress, a bodycon tube dress. This is how it looks on me. It's really pretty. I really love the color. This is giving summery beachy vibes. If you're going to this beach with your friends and you want to look very attractive, I think this is the perfect dress because this dress has very vibrant colors. And also let me show you the dress now. So this is the dress. Look at the color. This is so pretty. I really love the color. You can even count it for spring as well because ये देखो इसका spring का हर color इस dress में है. This dress is very stretchy, so you can go for 2 size smaller, and the size I went for is XS. See, this is the fit and I went for XS, and fit is not fitting but it's fine because चलता है, मैं इसे एडजस्ट कर लूँगी. The price is 331 and I think according to the price it's really good. The quality is also really good. It's not see-through at all. Look at the design. It is really pretty. This is the dress. This is giving sunset. Such a pretty dress. You can definitely go for it if you are into tube dresses and it's a long dress. Or अगर आप if you are insecure about your shoulders or your underarms, you can go with a cardigan, a very light cardigan or a shirt. You can even wear it as a skirt by pairing it with a sweatshirt or a sweater. And that's it for my Misho haul. Thank you guys so much for watching my video till the end, and I hope you guys liked the finds, and I will come back with another video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.